how to use WhatsApp on iPhone and Android together. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use WhatsApp on iPhone and Android together. So let me tell you, you can link your iPhone and Android together by using the companion mode feature. This allows you to log into the exact same WhatsApp account on up to 4 different companion devices, seamlessly syncing your chats and calls across both phones. So to set up your companion mode, what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your secondary phone, and then find WhatsApp, then download it to your device. Once downloaded, open the WhatsApp Messenger app, tap agree and continue. Now do not enter your phone number, instead tap three dot icon at the top right corner and then tap link as companion device. Now this will display a unique QR code on the screen. Now what you have to do is take your primary phone, unlock your primary iPhone or Android phone and open WhatsApp. Then go to link the device and use your primary phone to scan the QR code on your secondary phone. Your chats will now sync across both devices. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.